Hi fam, welcome back to my kitchen. Well, not my kitchen until I get money to buy a kitchen. Welcome back to Cook with Aisha. You know the vibe now. Today we are cooking one of my it would be wrong if I say this is not my favorite soup, but one of my favorite soup, because if you are a typical born and brought up Edo babe or Edo lad or anything, as long as you are born and brought up, you will know this soup I'm about to cook, groundnut soup. And do you know one thing? There is this like adage they say that groundnut soup is one of the fastest way to Edo man. Any Edo man around you is one of the fastest way to his heart. Groundnut soup and pounded yam. No be me talkamo. Nah, adage where I hear. So guys, today we are going to cook groundnut soup, and I'm so hyped. I just pray I don't fuck up. I'm saying a lot of so. Guys, let's go and cook. Bye. Guys, I'm about to boil my fish. I added pepper, mangi, onions, and salt. Now I'm about to add the water. Guys, do not let the water be too much, because if you are going to cook enough, like if you are going to cook more than one soup, then you can use much water. But if you are just cooking one soup, this water is enough to boil this fish. Fish are generally very soft, so when you boil your fish for like more than 10 minutes, my dear, you just want them to be mete, and it's not good. I know I'm speaking a lot of my local dialect because I'm cooking my native soup, one of my native soup. This is not really my native soup, but one of my popular native soup. The Edo babe in me go surely come out. So guys, I want to light this up. After I light this up, let me hold this camera well. When I light this fish up, then I'm going to wash my bitter leaf. Well, I'm lucky to have like fresh leaves around me, like sense leaf, ugu, and the rest. So I pluck some fresh bitter leaf. I'm just going to use my hand and wash it. I don't know if I should do a tutorial on how to wash bitter leaf, the easiest way, because me, I like easy things, so I'm not born for all these tough things. In this life, I learned easy things, even if it's tough. As I'm walking past that road, as I'm doing that thing, it will be easy for me by the grace of God. My God have already made everything easy. It's just for me to go and enjoy. Guys, let me not turn this place to salmon. Bye.
Animals they in human form. Body man nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want job. You no finish they won't fight us. If them they run them no fit that job. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. But my mind on my make you dance.
And now we want to just put this fish water on the fire, and I'll add red oil on low heat, guys. Going to do, I don't know if you saw it, very low. At this point, I'm just going to add these two first. Then I will add pepper, mangi, not much mangi, I think just one for now. Then I'll add one later. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I beg you in the name of God, please subscribe. It's not easy talking and cooking, and I'm making mistakes. I'm still managing to do all these things just to give you guys content. It's already hot, and this is my groundnut. I don't know why it's like this. I feel it's heat, because it was better than this. It's looking like moi. This is how this look now. I added crayfish and locust beans, and you know this was the meat. What I added pepper, and I just feel the pepper. I just pray it's not too much. I'm just trying to remove all these lumps. These lumps is because of I show you how my groundnut was. Normally it's not supposed to have lumps. So what I'm going to do for the lumps, can you guys see? So this is what I'm going to do. Oh, that far away. Can you guys see what I'm doing? This is what I'm going to do. It's to remove all the lumps. That is it. My lumps was the cause of my groundnut.
Low key, all my guys them naughty. Yeah, I'm not joking. All my guys them know me. Since 06, I've been writing my story. Yeah, I know be OG, but if you ask them know. So
what I'm just going to do, because of my groundnut soup is kind of thick, I'm just going to add this water. But if your groundnut soup is light, do not add this water. I'm going to add mine because my groundnut soup is kind of soup. I'm going to add another one mangi to my soup because I already had mangi in my meat water, so I just want to add excess mangi. Looking at this soup, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Be honest. To me, there's no oil. But so I tell you that this is how this soup normally look like without oil. Like it will look as if there's no oil. But I'm not going to add more oil because I'm not the one eating this meal. It's someone else. At this point, our soup is ready. Hi guys, so I'm done. It's currently 2 o'clock, like almost 2 o'clock. I'm going to pray now. I just want to show you guys this soup. You be like saying I'll deliver potato. I'm going to deliver the soup. So let me just show you guys the pot and what is remaining. Almost more, just more remaining. Let's see. Out of that big pot is actually the easiest groundnut soup to cook. Growing up, I never liked groundnut soup. Even cooking it, like if my mom asks me I shall go and cook groundnut soup, it's as if she just wants to make me angry for that day. I don't know if you know, but to me, I would just get hungry. I don't like cooking that soup. I don't know, some people, it feels like that, but it's actually very easy to cook, sincerely. How many minutes? I did not time myself, but at least not more than 1 hour. 45 or 50 at most. It does not really take time to cook. So guys, if you have not liked this video, please like it. Please subscribe and please drop a comment. If you have a lot to comment, ask me any question. I'll be in the comment section to answer your question. I love you guys. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for always commenting, always liking my videos, even though they are not interesting. You guys to give me comments. I really appreciate it, and I do not take it for granted. So guys, let me be on my way to pray. Let me pray now and I will deliver the soup. See you guys in my next video. Bye.